Okay, the first thing you want to do is obviously be in Facebook. You want to set up what's called a business manager account. It doesn't matter if you're just running ads yourself. You want to avoid using your own personal account because there's features that you'll lose if you just use your own personal account. So if you just go in business, type Facebook, you go, let's get started with Meta Business Tools, Business Manager. I already have a Business Manager account. So you can come in here and create it, but really let's go Business Manager, Facebook. Now I'm doing this in an incognito window. And you pull this up. So Meta Business Suite here, you can see the URL in here, and you just get started. And like I said, you can log in with your Facebook. If you already have a Facebook account login, you just click to log in. Obviously, we have authentication code. Okay, I just logged in using the code they sent, texted me. We're just going to save browser. Like I said, I'm in an incognito window. I don't want to set up another Business Manager account, but we're going to go through as if you did have and needed to set one up. So you'll go in and you'll just create a Business Manager account. Here we're gonna log out. If you don't have an account, it's gonna send you to a login portal where you just log in and put your information. We're gonna go in, if you come into the Meta Business Suite here, we're just gonna go into settings, right? Or you go settings here, we'll pull this up. We're gonna actually change which one we're in. Obviously I work with tons of different ones, but we're gonna come into this one, this Business Manager account. So the first thing you wanna do with a Business Manager account is, again, go to all tools. We want to go into business settings. So in here, right, you're going to see on here the people, the partners, the systems, and so forth. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to add and connect a page. So we want to connect a page. So obviously we already have pages connected in here. You just click here. If you don't have a page already, you just hit create a new Facebook page, and you can walk through the steps. Page name, let's just call this AZ Media Buyers. Category, let's go marketing, advertising, marketing. Bio, not necessary. Confirm, I agree. Create page, right? And then just hit done. We can go to that page and make edits. Obviously, if we already have a page added, we can just claim existing page, type in the URL. You can do, right, you can find it of here. These are all pages that work on. You just, let's say I want this one added to this account. I just hit next. I hit agree. I hit claim page. I don't want to do that, but you can just add that request or share Facebook page. So for example, if you have a page URL, so if I'm in Facebook itself and I have a page, for example, like this one, and I just want to type in the URL, I can do that. I can hit next. I can choose what I want to manage here. Typically, you're going to just go everything, but we'll go through it. You can manage content, community activities, message calls, ads, insights, revenue, content messages, or everything. Then hit confirm, and that will confirm access to that page, right? So if we're creating a page, because that's the first thing we want to do, we want to make sure we set that page up. But we can just go in and hit view on Facebook. In here, we're setting up a Facebook page, right? AZ Media Buyers is pretty simple. We're going to click here. We're actually going to come up here and add the details about us. We can edit all these things in here. So more, we need to switch to be able to take actions. switching profiles, so we can get rid of that, right? So now when I add a page, I can just hit add cover photo, upload photo. I can add the profile image. I can add the about stuff in here. I can add the addresses, all those details. So it's really simple, just adding a page and then adding stuff to it. When you first start working with Facebook and you're advertising your own page, you should have some posts. You should have obviously images. You should have a profile photo. You shouldn't just run ads with a Facebook account or Facebook page and not have anything associated with it. Okay, so now that's how you create a Facebook page. Do you need help with your Facebook ads or Google ads or any ads for that matter? Do you want to increase conversions? You want to get more customers? Do you want to sell more products? Well, we can help you. We have different services. We have a course you can purchase. We have an audit you can do. We will review your entire account. If it's Google, if it's PPC, if it's TikTok, if it's Facebook, we will audit everything. If you're not currently happy with the person you're working for, we will set up a whole new account. If you're not sure how to run ads and you need an account set up with the pixels, all those things on any of the platforms or all of the platforms, we will make sure everything's set up correctly, all the conversions are tracking properly, or we'll double check and make sure your current setup is working, or we'll consult you and teach you how to do it. All that stuff's down below. If you want our help, just pick one of the services that you want, fill out the form, enter your information, and we'll get started to improve your conversions, help you make more sales, and build your brand more effectively using Facebook, Google, TikTok, Snap, doesn't matter, whatever you choose, or all of the above. We will set it up, or even set up retargeting ads, so at least when people come to your website, they're getting a retargeting ad to push them to make a sale, a conversion, all that stuff. So if you need help with Facebook, Google, all that stuff from an advertising standpoint, again, services are below and we'll be happy to help you. Links are there and you can sign up. It's that simple.